I made over $1,000 per day using this new Google trick, and you can also earn money like this if you follow each and every step shown in this video. And the good thing is that this method works in almost all countries around the world. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to Google so that we can use it to make money online. I will also show you a bonus tip to earn 10 times more money fast with the secret trick by the end of this video. So stay tuned until the end. Now I can just go ahead and show you a bunch of websites where you can make money online using Google. Like you can go to the studypool.com and get paid over $7,000 per month just for answering student questions and helping them with their homework. And you can do most of your research on Google. You can go to trymata.com and you can get paid $5 to $30 per test you do. You can do your research about it on Google. You can come over to cashstars.com and you can earn money online for just browsing Google. You can also go to swashapp.io where you also get paid for surfing the web for using Google. Or you can use the serpclicks.com where you can become a clicker and you can earn anywhere from 5 cents to 10 cents per click while searching the Google website. But today, I want to show you guys how you can actually start a real side hustle yourself using Google for completely free. So the first step is to come over to Google and search for Google Docs. Click on the first link in the Google search results and that's going to take you to the Google Docs homepage. Now just press sign in button from here and sign in using your Gmail. After that, just click on the blank document and open up a fresh blank Google document from there. Now I want you to leave the Google Docs open like this. And now the step number 2 is to open Google in new tab again and search for Google Maps in it. And I want you to select the maps.google.com from there. This is going to make sense in just a minute, so stay tuned. Now the step number 3 is to head over to ChatGPT and log into it. Now I want you to ask ChatGPT, make a list of 20 local businesses and 20 most profitable cities around the world. For example, grocery store in Dubai. And ChatGPT, being the best tool in this category, will start listing out different businesses that we can find in Google Maps. But don't worry, in order to make money online with this method, you don't need to do any services yourself. Let's say we choose to go with this coffee shop in New York City. The next step number 4 is to come back to Google Maps again and search for the coffee shops in New York City. You will find many different coffee shops in New York City, but we are specifically looking for the coffee shops that are not ranking at the top and have less than 4.5 star ratings on Google Maps. So for example, if we choose to go with this coffee shop, we just need to click on it and then we just need to scroll down here and we need to find their website link and open their website from there. And I want you to find their contact info from there. Most of the times you will find their email or contact number at the bottom of their website. What you want to do is to copy the website link from here, come over to Google Docs and paste the website link. Then I want you to copy the email address of that website and paste it next to the website link. Just like this, I want you to copy paste the website links and their email addresses to the Google Docs one by one. Just like this, you can copy paste links and emails for different businesses mentioned by the ChatGPT like grocery, boutique, etc. And now before I show you how to make money online using Google with this secret make money online method, do you feel like starting a YouTube channel like CashPro is a little bit hard task to do because you need the different subscriptions to the screen recording softwares and the video editing softwares? If so, worry not, because today I would like to introduce you to the Democreator. I will leave a link to Democreator in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Democreator is game-changing all-in-one solution that combines screen recording, AI editing, and presentation magic. It's not about just recording what's on your screen, but it helps you in the whole video creation journey. Some of the main features of the Democreator are recording. You can record anything you want. Full screen, specific parts on your screens, camera, mic, and you can work with multiple tracks like a pro. Next, they have dedicated editing feature for fast and easy video creation. And Democreator lets you harness AI-powered features like auto subtitles, AI denoise to remove background noise, AI object remover, AI background remover, and much more. Not only that, there is a library of effects and traditional editing tools. Next is the presenting. With Democreator, you can engage your viewers with fun stuff like annotations, subtitles, green screen effects, and the cool AI virtual avatar that generates voices and characters. So if you are looking for a powerful all-in-one tool that goes beyond screen recording, Democreator is the best choice you can go ahead with. So just click the first link in the description of this video or the pinned comment and you will be taken to the homepage of Democreator. Just click on try it for free button right here and the Democreator software will be downloaded to your device. Just install it and sign up to it using your email and password. Once you log into your account, this is how it will look like. First, let me show you how to use the recording part. So just click on the video recorder from there. You will be shown many options. Let's select the screen and camera option from there. And as you can see, now we have this frame for recording our screen. And here is our camera for recording our face. Now you can change the size of the frame to record your screen and you can also apply different features to make it better. Not only that, you can also apply different effects to your camera recording like the AI beauty filters, background, etc. And you can exit the recording mode by just clicking on this icon from here. Now let's open the video editor from here, and that's going to take you to the Democreator editing tool. The interface of the editing tool is very neat and clean, and it is very easy to use it. And the good thing is, you will find many templates, audio and video effects, transitions, and other features to use. So if you click on the templates option from the left, here you can find different templates for online education, business meetings, and social media, etc. If you come over to the video effects, here you can find all kinds of video effects like the green screen, AI portrait, blur background, and much more. Not only that, you can also find the filters here and the overlays to make your video look even better, just like this. If you come over to the audio effects, here you can find different AI audio features to enhance the quality of your videos, like the AI voice cleaner, AI denoise, which helps you remove the background noise from your video. And with the AI voice changer, you can change the voice tonality. You can remove the voice using the AI vocal remover, and you can use different audio effects to your video to make it more entertaining and more engaging. Just like this, there are many AI and other features in the Democreator video editing tool that you can use to make your video attention grabbing and interesting, like the cursor effects, transitions, stickers, and much more. So once again, I will leave a link to Democreator in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can use that link to sign up to Democreator and to use it. Now the step number 5, to earn money using this Google method, I want you to come over to Google and search for the Fiverr affiliate program. Open this link from the search results and you will be taken to join the Fiverr affiliate program, and we will be using it today to make money like this every day, because Fiverr is the platform where freelancers are selling different services and helping out different businesses around the world. We can refer customers to them and we can get paid a good amount of money for doing so. In fact, they pay instant commissions ranging from 25% to 100% of the customer's first order. So just click on Join Now button from here and simply submit the info to create your Fiverr affiliate account. Now the step number 6 is to come over to ChatGPT again and paste this prompt in this box. You can either copy this prompt from the description of this video, or you can just pause the video and take a screenshot of it. Basically, we are asking ChatGPT for 3 different emails that we can send to these businesses to offer different services, and the ChatGPT will provide us with the emails in just a few seconds. And now we want to go over to the Fiverr affiliates account, and I want you to open the marketing tools and select the default and deep links option from there. That's going to take you to this page from where you can copy your affiliate links to make money with them. But we want to create specific links, and for that we need to click on the deep link option from there. After that, we just need to copy the link for the gig from Fiverr to promote it and to make money with it. So for example, if we want to go ahead with this Google website SEO gig, it's costing about $250 to $500, so the commission that we will get on it will be really high. So we will just click on the share this gig and we will copy the link to it. Then we will come back to our Fiverr affiliate account and we will paste the gig link in this box and click on the save button. And now all the links here will be updated for promoting that particular gig link. So if I copy the gig link from here and paste it in a new tab, that's going to take me to the same gig, where if someone buys, we will get a commission per sale. Now the step number 7, the secret way to earn money with Google and to earn 10 times more money than others, is to come back to the Google Docs again, where we have collected all the emails for different businesses. Now all you have to do is to copy these emails one by one and come over to your Gmail account. There, I want you to click on Compose a Email and paste the business email right here. Then, in the subject, I want you to copy the subject from the emails created by ChatGPT and paste it in the subject of your email. Next, I want you to copy the email from ChatGPT and paste it in your email. Now, I want you to customize the variables in the brackets. So make sure you write the names and business names according to the business you are sending emails to. So just customize everything in the email body according to the business. Make sure there are no brackets left in your email body. After that, I want you to copy your affiliate link for the service from your Fiverr affiliate account and come over to your email again. Select the parts from the email body where you want to insert your affiliate link. Click on the insert link option from here and paste your affiliate link in this box and click apply. And boom, your affiliate link will be inserted to your email. And now you can send this email. Just like this, I want you to send the emails to these businesses one by one. And that's how I made my money from Google. And this is one of the best ways to earn over $1,000 per day using Google for completely free. Once again, I will leave a link to Democreator in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can use that link to sign up to Democreator and to use it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.